I request all the participants to join to the valedictory function. Yeah, please.
Yeah. A very good evening to all dignitaries, guests, faculty members, and researchers. I take the privilege to extend my warm welcome to all present here for the online valedictory function of 1 week online faculty development program on 3D printing and design, sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Academy, New Delhi, organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering and Center for Product Design, Development and Additive Manufacturing, University College of Engineering, Osmania University. On behalf of the organizing committee of the FDP, I invite chief guest of today's function, Nandagopal Vaidya sir, General Manager, Development, Tata Motors, Pune. I welcome Professor M. Kumar sir, Principal, University College of Engineering, Osmania University. I invite Professor R. Rajendra sir, Head, Department of Mechanical Engineering, University College of Engineering, Osmania University. I welcome Professor Sriram Venkatesh sir, Director, CPDDM OU. I also invite Professor L. Sivaram Krishna sir, Joint Director, CPDDM OU. Now, I humbly invite Professor L. Sivaram Krishna sir, Joint Director, CPDDM OU and Program Coordinator, to present about the Atal AICT course on 3D printing and design. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So before I start, I request the participant to please switch off your video. Later we'll have the this. Right. Respected chief guest of today's function, Mr. Nandagopal Vaidya, General Manager Development, Tata Motors, Pune. Professor M. Kumar sir, President of today's function and Principal UCOU. Professor R. Rajendra sir, Head of the Mechanical Engineering Department. Professor Sriram Venkatesh, Controller of Examination, Osmania University and Course Coordinator, and other dignitaries. Faculty members, delegates coming across the country. A very good evening to you all. On behalf of the organizing committee, I have no pleasure in proposing vote of thanks. I thank, I won't address about the program. At the outset, as the course coordinator of the 1 week AICTE Training and Learning Academy, popularly known as Atal program, I request the dignitaries please switch on your cameras, please. Known as Atal Online FDP on 3D printing and design, organized by Department of Mechanical and UCOU and CPTDM during 25th to 29th October 2021. I extend my warm welcome to all the participants for the valedictory function. So the aim of any Atal program is to support technical institutions in fostering research, innovation, entrepreneurship throughout training in various emerging and thrust areas like 3D printing, AI, ML, augmented reality, etc. Because of the experience we had over the past 15 years in the area of 3D printing, and we applied for this course. We applied this course for twice, and we got the sanction 2 times continuously in a row for us. And to tell the statistics of this course, around 170 participants from across the country applied for this course, and we have selected 165 participants. And these participants are from across the country, from different places, like from Ghaziabad, from Chhattisgarh, from Bihar, from Assam, from UP, from Tamil Nadu, from Kerala, and apart from our Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, many people from West Bengal are also there. The participants are from PG, UG students as well as PhD faculty, many faculty from prestigious colleges, even from NITs, IIT Kanpur research scholars attended, and also personnel from DMRL, DRDO, RCA, emerging industry startup companies. They all are the participants of this program. And we have conducted total 14 sessions, so which includes 9 theoretical sessions. Theoretical sessions are delivered by Dr. U. Chandrasekharan from Wipro 3D. Right, sir is the keynote speaker for the inaugural, and I think it's a coincidence that his best friend, Mr. Nandagopal sir, is also closing our program as a keynote speaker for the valedictory function. We should thank both of them for accepting an invitation. And we had a 2 hands-on practice sessions on the softwares like Topology Automation on Altair Inspire. It is delivered by Inspire, and we made all the participants to do hands-on practice in the session. That is, they were installed all the software, and most of them have done the simultaneously practice with the resource person. Then also we have done a Cura and 3D slicer demo sessions. 2 demo sessions we have conducted on the softwares for biomedical modeling and how you slice a STL file, which is very important. And I think that was a very interesting thing that most have got feel that even though it's online, they feel that they are doing offline only. That's what we brought to the participants, so that they will not feel that they lost only theory they are listening. That is our main aim. And then today, 2 demo sessions we are conducted with all the technologies we have in our center. Our University College of Engineering has got the state-of-the-art 3D printing center in the entire state of Telangana. Even I can proudly say that even some of the IITs are not having these facilities. Like we have selective laser melting, a metal 3D printer we have. And then we have SLS, demo on SLM, selective laser sintering. And we have also given PolyJet technologies as the first session today. And the second session on FDM, as well as SLA, DLP, and 3D scanner, we have shown starting from pre-processing to post-processing, every stage of the manufacturing and all this technology, we have done it. And we have shown live to them so that they feel that even though it's an online course, they feel that they have done on their own. That's what we feel. So that's how we planned the sessions. And apart from this, as per the norms of the Atal program, we have carried out one exclusive session on emotional intelligence intuition by Mr. Manasram from Art of Living. So that session also well received by the participants. In every sessions, I can proudly say there are minimum 100 participants participating. Definitely it is an online course. We may have registered more, but getting 1/4 of the participants in the online course itself difficult. But we had maximum 100 people, more than 100 people participating in every session. And the unique thing in this is not only speakers from Tata Motors, Wipro, 3D, DMRL, but the unique thing is we have 2 doctors who are also spoken in our session. It's we want to tell that 3D printing is a multidisciplinary where all the different people can participate. So doctors from Sunshine Hospitals, SVS Dental College shown the live cases how they have done applied 3D printing for solving some complex surgeries like maxillofacial surgery, dental, and orthopedic, etc. So I think I hope the courses has provided an opportunity. This course has provided an opportunity for all the participants to enhance their knowledge in the area of 3D printing and also to improve to know the potential application of 3D printing. In fact, today's last session by Mr. Nandagopal Vaidya sir has given not only what are the positive sides of 3D printing, what are the limitations of it, and the unique thing is in this last session we have spoken automobile. Last year, when we conducted the Atal program, we had the last session by ISRO chairman coming here and speaking how they are used in space. Now we want to just change away from space to automobile. So that's our idea. Every time we do some innovation in our work. So that's how we brought this time. So finally, I am very confident enough to say that this Atal online FDP and 3D printing and design is a grand success, and that the participants for their, I hope they have active participation, and also thank them for their active participation. And they had a fruitful experience, learning experience in this all the 5 days. We had a continuous, every day we had 6 hours continuous, very focused. We have conducted all this session. Thank you all for giving me the opportunity. Over to Sweta.
Thank you, sir, for elaborating about Atal AICT course on 3D printing and design. I cordially invite Professor R. Rajendra, sir, Head, Department of Mechanical Engineering, UCOU, to speak few words on this occasion. Over to you, sir.
So good evening, one and all. I congratulate the speaker from Tata Motors and Professor Sriram Krishna selecting a very good panel of speakers who have vast knowledge and in-depth research they have been doing, and they have identified. This, I think even I attended so many AM programs, but this is come to very close to the first class. You can classify this as a first class with the distinction type of short-term course. And Sriram Krishna has been working in this area along with the Professor Sriram Venkatesh from the inception from 2002 onwards. And they have been successfully sticking on to this topic and encouraging it in our academic teaching, and they frame the syllabus. And recently they have even designed this design for additive manufacturing. That is also one of the good topic for industry-ready components and industry component performance. So in this regard, Professor Sriram Krishna has revised the syllabus for design for additive manufacturing. And additive manufacturing is a thrust area in the government of India. And they have been encouraging this side from the government, and Sriram Krishna and Professor Sriram Venkatesh have taken lead in this Atal programs, and they have sufficient knowledge and experience, and they are collaborating with hospitals around Hyderabad, and also where their requirement is there, and also providing their services. It's a very excellent hands-on practice as well as theory, and understanding the manufacturing process, how it can be applied to medical aspects. So this area, Sriram Krishna and Sriram Venkatesh have taken a bit to the research level, to the lab, to practice. So on this occasion, I congratulate Professor Sriram Krishna and Professor Sriram Venkatesh, and having Rusa 2.0 funded by MHRD and Osmania University for giving these facilities to us. Even I inquired around total all over India, and this SLM machine M280 is one of the good machine, and so it is very much suitable for all the participants. You can come and you can have consultancy with our center, and also you can do projects with us in the metal area and non-metal area, and minimal charges are being charged for your works. And we have the center has qualified technicians. They can print your component or part as per your requirement. Only you just need to give a file, solid drawing file. Then they will print and give you. And so many participants, around 90 members are participated. So you spread the message to all your college and members, and we have a center which can cater to your needs at a minimal charges. So I also am doing on this metal AM testing. They have printed my components at a minimal price, which is very much less than the industry. We have approached Wipro 3D, we have gone to Pune, we go to Chennai, we go to Bangalore, and Mumbai, and we have got to Haryana, Philips Machine Tools. What they are charging is very high. And for sustain our center, the participants can spread the message, and we have state-of-art machines, metal and non-metal, and experienced faculty and also technicians that you can benefit from this side. This is also funding from UGC MHRD, and it is for for the students and researchers and innovators from student community, research community, and industry persons. So with this, I congratulate all the good activities undertaken by Professor Sriram Venkatesh and Dr. Sriram Krishna, and Principal Professor M. Kumar, and center, Rusa Center provided by the Vice Chancellor, Registrar, and all the members for giving a full free hand to in conducting this Atal workshop. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Rahendra sir, for your encouragement and support, and for your valuable address. Now, before we go to listen to other dignitaries, we want to have feedback from the participants. I request a few participants. Mr. Balachandar sir, you are from Tamil Nadu, I think you can give your feedback, sir. Switch on your camera and you can give your feedbacks.
Hope I'm audible, sir.
You are audible, sir. You can introduce yourself and give.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Good evening to everybody who are all in the virtual dais on this valedictory function of a 5-day workshop, 5-day FDP on 3D printing and design. First of all, I thank Professor Ramakrishna for giving me this opportunity to give my feedback on the last day of this FDP. There are few things which I wanted to convey both to the team as well as to Professor Ramakrishna in particular. As I already conveyed through the text, the enthusiasm and the energy that Professor Ramakrishna has shown throughout the program was very much encouraging, and I see him all attending all the sessions live, sitting all the way down along with his team, sorting out all questions being posted to the speakers and taking them up, enlightening every younger mind, igniting every younger mind their thoughts, and bringing that opportunity live for them and for their using your experiences and your team's experiences along with the highlighted speakers' experiences to be showered on all younger minds. Thank you again, sir. Being an academician, I too am a learner every time. So I make it as a practice that I attend all such programs in person, if at all time permits. And most of the time I try to be all online and hear to all of the speakers. And that's the way that I believe in myself and attending all such programs, which will enlighten me, because I need to compete with the younger minds as an academician. And I also congratulate Professor Ramakrishna for a successful completion of this FDP in a very excellent way. Not only to him, my thanks are due to the total team, particularly the research scholars and the professors who have been backed up sufficiently and enough to Siva Ramakrishna for making this event a very, very successful. Kudos to all of them. I would rather spell it out in the same words which I wrote it. Excellent and thank you will be very, very short to convey my feel upon this FDP. Thank you again. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Professor Balachandra from Sahasra University, Tamil Nadu. Shastra University from Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sir. I have seen you from continuously all the 14 sessions you are there. I think I request all youngsters to learn from such a senior professor. You can find time to sit for 14 sessions and listen to all the things. Right. Thank you. Any other participants who want to give feedback, you can switch on your camera.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Dr. Raju from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Andhra University.
Please continue.
Sir, are you audible?
You are audible, sir. You are audible.
Yeah, sir. First of all, congratulations to the organizers for excellent conduction of this ACTE sponsored FDP on 3D printing and design. And you have putting all the fields, maybe in the fields of scientific research and also industrial, both hardware and software facilities. And I have opened to that all the facilities, whatever you have in the University, College of Engineering in Osmania University. And I have given the very good, excellent lectures delivered by the best speakers. Delivered the lectures are very nice, sir. And so actually last time, whenever you have conducted the FDP, one in the maybe last year, at the time may not be possible to me, maybe in other work. This time I'm very happy. And every time I have to ask the facilities of the university college, maybe in the Department of Mechanical Engineering in the Osmania University. Now I have to be enrich my knowledge. And I am also nowadays, very one thing from the new education mission, maybe industry 4.0, it is a skill based. That skill based knowledge is very essential for all the students and those who are researchers and all the faculties is very much essential. So you have given that one step towards in that direction. And I have already attended so many other type of these online programs. According to my knowledge, this is the best of whatever I may be attended in past or maybe earlier 2-3 years. And so very nice, sir. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity, giving me to the opportunity for giving the feedback. So nice, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. You can also speak about some improvement that we can do. A participant, you want to give feedback. One more participant, you can also give feedback. I think we are joined by Dr. K. Sri Krishna from Ghaziabad, sir. Thank you.
Sir, you are able to hear me, sir?
You are able to see, sir. I hope you are in the operation.
No, sir.
Yeah.
At the outset, let me congratulate Dr. Sriram Venkatesh and you and your team, sir, for having done a wonderful job in conduction of this event. So it was an interesting and enlightening program. All the sessions were very informative, and the selection of the speakers was excellent, sir. Their vast experience and knowledge was indeed a blessing for all the participants. We gained a lot of knowledge from them. Then all the sessions were also conducted in a timely manner and were very well structured. Suggestion wise, like I already told in one of the feedback for one of the sessions, maybe I think we should have more of doctors also along with engineers. I think I am the only doctor here, but I would prefer like Dr. Abhinandan, and he's a colleague of mine actually. So, maybe we can have a program where more doctors also.
Sir, unmute yourself, sir. Krishna, sir, please unmute.
Considering the 3D applications, particularly the biomedical applications in 3D printing, so I think there should be more of doctors also in the in events like this. So I look forward to participate in more such programs in the future. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for your. I think you are attending our Atal program for the second time. Even though you are from Ghaziabad and you are a doctor, definitely I'll take your consideration next time if you get a chance. Atal program again. We'll definitely include more doctors because it's basic engineering, but we introduce 2 doctors, sir. Next time we have a full day from doctors only, complete doctors. And I request participants from doctors should also attend our program, sir. So not only engineers, but I request from your side also you can make some participants from doctors to attend this program. Like you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Any one participant you can speak, right?
Yeah, myself, sir. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, good evening to all of you. This is Professor U. Srinivas Balraj from KIPS Warangal, sir. Am I audible, sir?
You are audible.
Yeah. Sir, at the outset, I would like to congratulate the organizers, Professor Sriram Venkatesh, sir, and yourself, sir, Sriram Krishna, sir, as well as supporting you, Shweta also. She was instrumental in coordinating the things here. So really, it is a wonderful FDP, sir. Myself, it is an eye opener for me, sir, because I am not much aware of this 3D printing. But through this FDP, I could learn so many things, so many topics on 3D printing, and specifically to mention various applications mentioned by Dr. U. Chandrasekhar, sir. 3D printing, DMLS, and lens by S. Ramesh Kumar, sir. Topology optimization. This was a wonderful session by Mr. Ghosh. Also, various medical case studies taken by yourself, sir, Sriram Krishna, sir. And 3D printing from scratch to, from start to production by Professor Sriram Venkatesh, sir. Demo sessions done by you. These are excellent presentations, sir, and I could feel that speakers were competing each other so that they can present the best. I really appreciate, sir, the hard work, the sincerity, the effort you put in this FDP. Really, fructified. I mean, whatever the objective of the FDP was there, it was reached to all the participants. Okay, all speakers were excellent, sir, and the takeaway from this FDP is, sir, definitely I learned so many things, right from software to hardware. So many softwares, even I came to know, like Cura, 3D Slicer, Altair software was wonderful, sir. The presentation on Altair software was excellent. I really liked it. And apart from this, you included various medical applications which are not of engineering background, even workshops, assignments. Really, it is a amalgamation of all the things, sir. I was feeling like I was attending in person, really. So that much amount of effort is there, sir. That I can say. Overall, it's a wonderful FDP, sir. I learned a lot being a professor. I learned a lot, and I promise that all this knowledge will go into projects, research work, and definitely we will try to publish some research papers also on this. Thank you all speakers. Thank you Osmania University. Thank you organizers. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Bal. Thank you. We'll have this. I think we are already exceeding our time. So now I request Professor Sriram Venkatesh to other participants who want to give feedback. You can post your feedback in the WhatsApp group. So I request Professor Sriram Venkatesh to please address the gathering. So, okay. I request Professor Kumar, sir, Principal, University College of Engineering, Usman University, to please address the gathering, sir. Please, sir. Sorry for making it, because...
no issue, no issue. Is it audible, Professor Shivaram Krishna?
Audible, sir. You are seen every...
Okay, fine. Thank you. Yeah, so today's valedictor is Chief Guest, Dr. Nandagopal Garu, General Manager, Tata Motors, and Head of the Department, Professor R. Rajendra. And workshop, this training program, the coordinators, Professor Shivarama Krishna, Professor Sriram Venkatesh, and distinguished faculty members of the Mechanical Engineering Department, and participants. Very good afternoon once again to all. At the outset, I congratulate all the faculty, all the participants, and appreciate all the participants for participating very actively in this 1 week training program sanctioned by the AICTE on 3D printing and design. Already earlier speakers mentioned that the 3D printing and design is upcoming and thrust area is the need of the hour. It's a multidisciplinary subject. The feedback given by the many participants, excellent. It shows the coordinator's commitment for design of this particular 5-day training program. I congratulate Professor Shivarama Krishna. Professor Shivarama Krishna is a meticulous micro-level planner. He takes each and everything in a very serious manner, and he plans and in a very, very, very excellent manner, and he also executes. So planning is one aspect, and execution is the another challenge. So you already done or conducted so many programs earlier, and each and every program is a unique in nature. I hope the participants across the country might have enjoyed with this theory, and at the same time hands-on practice, as mentioned by the participants and coordinator for this workshop. Definitely, the University College of Engineering is committed for the quality. In future, will float such kind of programs for the sake of all the stakeholders. We are very much committed to offer such kind of programs in future. And at the same time, in our TDC building under RUSA project, they established a center, that is CPDDAM. I am sure in coming days, in next 1 year, this center is going to be a top in the country. So I request the coordinators, you please float at least one workshop in every 3 months. The college also going to support the workshop in future, so that the mechanical fraternity, of course, not only that, interdiscipline, as I said, the engineering fraternity definitely will get a lot of benefits out of it. Ultimately, the fruits of this research, especially the 3D printing and design, will reach to the society. So any research outcome normally useful to the common man. So then only there is a meaning for the research. This is what my observation. So with this, I thank Dr. Shivaramakrishna and Professor Sriram Venkatesh and head of the department, Professor Rajendra, for giving me the opportunity. I once again congratulate all the participants for your wonderful participation and feedback. And definitely you take this, all the knowledge, and you try to disseminate at the respective, your institutions and research centers at your place. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you very much, sir. Even though you had a very hectic meeting, just now you concluded the faculty meeting, still you are there to encourage us. Your presence will give a lot of motivation, sir, and for your support. I think the full freedom you are given as a principal to Professor Sriram Venkatesh and myself to conduct such programs will definitely motivate us to do many more things, sir. Thank you very much for Active Unity. Please stay on, sir, because we are going to have a group photo of the entire participants as per Atal. Please, I hope I am not troubling you. Please stay, sir. So, sir, please unmute, sir. Please unmute, sir. Please unmute. We are unable to hear, sir.
Yeah, please inform just before 5 minutes. I'll be there online, right?
Definitely.
Thank you very much.
Definitely. Thank you, sir. And now I request Professor Sriram Venkatesh to tell about Professor Sriram Venkatesh, sir, to Nandagopal Vaidya, sir. Sir, he is the man behind establishing our 3D printing center, sir. I can say he is the 3D printing man of Usmania University, and he is the person who is dream to have a 3D printing center for the past 10 years. He was working, and I am along with him, and I have seen the commitment he has shown. Now I request Professor Sriram Venkatesh to address the gathering. He is also the controller of examination, sir. And here I want to tell our engineering faculty are in the forefront in our university in all the administration high-end positions, sir. So our registrar is also from mechanical department. Professor Kumar, sir, is EC member of our university. So our engineering college is forefront in the university development, sir. Now I request Professor Sriram Venkatesh to address the gathering.
Thank you, Dr. Professor Sriram Krishna, and today's guest, Sri N.K. Vaidya, sir, and Professor Kumar, Principal, University College of Engineering, Head of the Department, Professor R. Rajendra, and my co-coordinator, Professor Shivaram Krishna, and all the participants. And the previously in the inaugural session, Professor P. Lakshman also addressed the gathering, and Professor M. Kumar, Principal, University College of Engineering, also addressed the gathering. And I thank all the chief guests, guest of honors. Chandrasekhar also, Professor Chandrasekhar, Dr. Chandrasekhar also addressed the gathering. I take it privilege to say something about the 3D printing area. As Professor Shivaramakrishnan said, we have started the 3D printing course and center established in 2008. So since then we are working. After that, Professor Shivaramakrishnan joined, and also he is also interested to work in the area of 3D printing. I hope the deliberations of this FDP is useful to all the faculty members, and they will also set up such a similar setup, or otherwise they can design a course for the benefit of their students in their respective colleges. So I hope there is a lot of improvement scope is there, and we have taken your feedback, and definitely, as Professor M. Kumar said, every 3 months we need to conduct one workshop, but we have planned in a big way with the doctors. We have already planned, but because of the Corona pandemic, 18 months actually we can say either lockdown or we are restricted to homes. So the new center also established during the first phase of lockdown. And we have taken advantage of lockdown days in establishing the Center for Prototyping and Center for Design, Development and Additive Manufacturing. And only just 2-3 months back only, we are little bit free from Corona pandemic. And that's the reason it is delayed. Even other FDF also delayed because of a second wave of Corona pandemic. This is actually a center where you can even send the UG, PG students as interns, projects, and even PhD students for doing their printing in various machines available. And that is the reason we have highlighted the demo on 6 machines, 3 machines on by me, 3 machines by Professor Shivaramakrishnan. And we are ready to help you, and we are not into the commercial area, but only we would like to charge only the minimum price for the raw material. And our own students also we are helping, and there is no barrier. Anytime anyone can approach the center. First priority should be given to our own students in the university, then second priority to other institutions. And I hope now good days are ahead for the CPTDAM, and maybe in a couple of months from now, we are going to have a good news that a lot of activities are planned and we're executing, and some of the things are going on. Some confidential work also going on. Confidential research is also going on that I don't want to reveal here. But we are after the 3D printing center only, irrespective of our positions, irrespective of our administrative work. We are utilizing the holidays, Sundays, overtimes after 7, this center, and our scholars also helping a lot. And all these activities, last 5 days, Miss Sweta, Srimati Sweta, is actually organized all the sessions. Introduction of guests and time to time flipping the slides and all. So she is doing, and we are grateful to have such a wonderful and excellent research scholars. They are actually working in the center, and also they are getting some RUSA, the fellowships. So I think with this if I'm not missed anything, I thank each and everyone. Head of the department and from Honorable Vice Chancellor to Principal, Registrar, each and everyone who have encouraged us in establishing the center, and also Professor Shivaram Krishna, who has actually taken initiative in applying FDP programs, Atal FDP programs. In series, it is second one. So most of the load is taken by him because I'm controller of examinations and because of my busy schedule due to the 81st convocation. So he has taken all the pains and conducting the particular FDP program. I think we have come to an end today. If anything is there, no, you can put me mail or the chat box, any queries, anything else. For example, if you want to enter into MOU also, we would place before the university administration to enter into MOU also. So I thank Professor Shivaram Krishna for giving me opportunity.
Thank you very much, Professor Sriram Venkatesh, for your valuable address to the audience. In fact, he is always with the center. He is a backbone for all of our activities. And I request Professor Sriram Venkatesh to please stay. We are going to have an address by our chief guest. I request our honorable chief guest, Mr. N.K. Vaidya sir. Sir has given keynote address from 2:15, and I should appreciate sir for waiting so much time for addressing our valedictory function. It's great to hear. We are all eagerly waiting to hear from you, sir. Please, it's over to you, sir. Please. You can.
Thank you, sir. Professor Kumar, Principal, Professor Rajendra, Professor Shivaram Krishna, Professor Sriram Venkatesh. Indeed, and Shweta Madam, whom I am seeing last 3 to 4 days coordinating the whole function. Indeed, I must thank Professor Sriram Krishna from the bottom of my heart for introducing me to this this specific event, as well as the whole concept called as Atal, which I was not aware. As Dr. Kumar rightly said, unless our research reaches common man, there is no point. Yes, I truly agree. I believe that. That's what we are here for. Indeed, I was very happy, as I mentioned in my presentation, that I got an opportunity to talk directly, share my whatever little experience I got in the industry directly with the creators of future. All you faculty members who attended here, you are creating future engineers for this whole world. As I had mentioned earlier, we generation of engineers, we spent a lot of our time in just bringing comfort to the mankind. Whereas the future engineers have to anyway bring comfort to mankind, but they have to save this earth also. All of us, we know what I mean to say. We are reaching the disaster of 1.5 degrees centigrade, Paris Protocol, environment pollution, all of us are aware. So in this event, 3D printing definitely is the way. It will change the whole world, the engineering. Rather, the products will look onto the market. Thank you, Shivaram Krishna again, Professor Shivaram Krishna again, for bringing me over here. Now, I am in full agreement with Principal when he said about your capabilities of planning and execution. Sir, you are talking to me for more than 10 months on this course. Yeah. I really commend your patience, your perseverance, and I'm happy that I could contribute something over in this program. And yesterday, I heard Professor Sriram Venkatesh when he explained lucidly about your center. I understood he is the man behind who created the whole center. And I commend Osmania University, your College of Engineering, for always staying ahead in these areas, which in industry we thought academics is far away, but it is not. It is not at all. And I got some small connect with your area. I am a student of NIT Warangal. So Hyderabad, Warangal, I feel at home. Although it was like I passed out from your area.
Yeah.
Thanks once again. And I would like to congratulate the faculty who attended. And all the faculty members who attended, you can count on me if you got some doubts or something. In whatever area possible in 3D printing I can assist, you can definitely contact me. Once again, I thank you all. I commend the university. Thank you very much for inviting me here. And if you invite me again, I'm sure I'll come and I can contribute whatever. Okay. And Professor Shivaram Krishna and Dr. Sriram Venkatesh, whatever you say, yes, we would like to interact with your labs, your university. Definitely, me and my colleagues will be in touch with you. Thank you very much. Thank you for calling me once again. I'm stopping over here. Thank you very much. Over back to Professor. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable address. And indeed, we are all happy that you are with us. And myself and Sriram Venkatesh, we have worked in NIT Warangal also as a research assistant. Okay. And later I done my MTech in NIT Warangal itself. So we are also alumni of the same institute. Okay. So I think always the circle reaches the same point. So we have some connectivity. I think in future, as Professor Sriram Venkatesh, our principal and head of the department telling, industry institute instruction very much. That is the idea why in our program, if you notice in the schedule, we have put lot of people from industry. So right, the first session is from industry, from Wipro 3D, and the ending session is also from industry. So that's what we want, because theory you can get anywhere online, but today you have spoken real time work. What is the limitations you face in 3D printing, the difficulties? I think all these things you told are a research problem for all the academias. So that's what they're all. We can do number of PhDs on this, as you said today. Thank you very much, sir. So before we go to vote of thanks, I request all the dignitaries and the participants to please switch on their cameras for a group photo as per the Atal program. Please switch on your cameras, all of you. Sir, Kumar, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, Professor Sriram Venkatesh. Rajendra, sir. Rajendra, sir.
Joining.
Please switch on. A few participants first switch off. Few participants please switch on, because this bandwidth will come. So other participants you can also switch on, please. I will go to thumbnail. Yeah, please. You are in the gallery, right? Okay.
అట్లా చెప్తే బాగుండదు విక్రమ్.
I request one of the Pramod others, please take a photo from your cell phone also. That will give more picture to us. So. So number of participants, many. Definitely we are going to put everything in our YouTube and in the online. All the lectures will be kept in the online in YouTube. We will share the link to all the participants. Don't worry, everything will be shared. Thank you all for switching on your cameras and coming online. So, so I take the privilege in proposing vote of thanks on this occasion. Respected chief guest of today's function, Mr. Nandagopal Vaidya sir, General Manager Development, Tata Motors, Pune. Professor M. Kumar sir, President of today's function, Principal, University College of Engineering, Usmania University. Professor R. Rajendra sir, Head of the Department, Mechanical, University College of Engineering, Usmania University. Professor Sriram Venkatesh, Controller of Examination, Usmania University, and Course Coordinator and other dignitaries, faculty members, delegates from across the country. A very good evening to all. On behalf of the organizing committee, I have now pleasure in proposing vote of thanks. First, I would like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Ravinder sir, and Professor Registrar, Professor Lakshmana sir, who inaugurated the program as a chief guest initially. Thanks to the University Administration for their wonderful support. I also thank our chief guest of today's function, Mr. Nandagopal sir, General Manager, Pune, Tata Motors Pune, Development, General Manager Development Tata Motors Pune, for accepting our request to the chief guest of today's function. I have been in touch with sir for the past 10 months, and he is so available to me that whenever I make a call, immediately he used to reply. He is a very busy person in his organization, but still, today you can all observe that he is with us from 2:15 onwards to the entire up to the valedictory function. That shows the commitment to the academics, sir. Definitely from our institute, we would like to have future collaboration with you. We are going to conduct, as our principal said and director said, we are going to have every 3 months one session. So definitely we would like to have your address in future also. Thank you very much for really taking out the time, and your address today, the keynote address, has given lot of directions for our participants to work in, that is in the research areas. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation to chief guest and also keynote speaker for the final session. Now I extend my thanks to our beloved principal, Professor M. Kumar sir, for presiding over today's valedictory function and extending his valuable support and encouragement in conducting this FDP. He has been the guiding spirit behind all such technical events. Sir, I am very much thankful to you for the freedom you have given to us and for the encouragement you always tell us to continue these programs. Thank you very much, sir, for your ever-ending and always for your support, continuous support. Next in line, I am bound to thank Professor R. Rajendra sir, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering and Chairperson of this FDP, for his valuable advices, support and guidance throughout in conducting this event. He has given me full freedom and flexibility to conduct this program. And he said, you go ahead, Shivaram Krishna, I am not going to say a few words. I have full belief in you. And I think I have kept your expectations, sir. Thank you very much for the support you have given to me. Thank you, sir. I also express my profound thanks to Professor Sriram Venkatesh, Controller of Examination, Usman University, and the Director of CPDDM, and also Coordinator of this FDP, for his unrelenting support, and his presence itself will make us to work very well, because I know how standard he will conduct. Last 2 days before, you have seen how he has conducted the convocation. So thank you very much, Professor Sriram Venkatesh, for your excellent support and freedom given to us. I would also like to express my profound thanks to Atal AICT team, led by its chairman, Professor Anil D. Sahasrabudhe sir, Chairman AICT, and other members of the AICT, team of AICT, for their excellent support and sponsoring this event and sanctioning to us for the second time. I think without your support from AICT, we would have not conducted these programs. And I would like to thank Government of India, headed by Prime Minister Modi sir, for conceiving such a wonderful concept of Atal AICT, which is reaching many people online. Thank you very much, AICT, for providing us the opportunity to do these programs. I thank all the resource persons of this FDP for sparing their valuable time and coming forward to share their expertise in the field of 3D printing to the participants. I would like to express my gratitude and thanks to all the participants of this FDP for coming forward enthusiastically to learn about 3D printing, and also their organizations for allowing them to register for this course and also attend this program. Thanks to all of them. Last but not the least, I thank all the organizing committee members of FDP, teaching, non-teaching staff members, and student volunteers of our department and the college for their support and well wishes, so that we are able to achieve this program, complete this program successfully. Special thanks to Mrs. G. Sweta, research scholar, who was there continuously with me, I think, for all the sessions, for in organizing, in anchoring and coordinating all the events. Thanks, Sweta. Thanks to Mr. Siddharth, Mr. Praneeth, and Harika also, you are behind the screen in working out with contacting with various participants and doing all the things. And thanks to our technical team from CPDDM, Mr. Suranjan and Mr. Pramod, for taking a journey of all these technologies and showing their hands-on practice sessions. And thanks to our office staff and also Mr. Babu for their relentless effort in conducting this event. Thank you all for your active participation. Thank you.